Tired of answering the same questions over and over? Learn how to add an FAQ page to your Namecheap site in under 5 minutes. Here's the plan. I'll show you exactly where to click inside the Namecheap website builder to add and customize a ready-made FAQ section. No coding, no complicated menus, just a straightforward walkthrough. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up your site in the Namecheap website builder editor. You're probably already logged into your Namecheap account, so just find the website you want to work on and click that edit button. This will open up your site in the visual editor, and this is where all the magic happens. Now look at the left-hand side of your screen. There's a plus button, or it might say add sections, pages, etc., depending on which version of the builder you're using. Go ahead and click that. This is the main menu for adding just about anything to your site. When that menu pops open, you're going to see a list of options. Look for the one that says FAQ and click on it. The Namecheap builder has a bunch of pre-built sections for things like testimonials, features, and of course, frequently asked questions. So you're not starting from scratch here. Now here's where you choose your layout. Click on the FAQ option again, and it will show you a preview of how the section is going to look on your page. There might be a few different styles to pick from, but for now, just go with the one that feels right. You can always change it later. Once you've settled on a style, you'll see a button or a prompt that says something like, "Create a helpful FAQ section for site visitors." Click that. This is the builder, essentially, asking if you want it to generate a starter FAQ section with placeholder questions and answers. That is exactly what we want, because it gives us a head start. After that, click the Continue button. This might take a moment to process while the builder adds the section to your page. Be patient, it only takes a few seconds. Now we get to the fun part. Your new FAQ section is now on your page, but it's filled with placeholder text, so let's make it yours. Click directly on any of the questions or the answers. You should see a text editing box appear. Just type over the placeholder text with your own questions and answers. And here's the really important part. Think about the top 3 to 5 questions you get asked the most. Those are the ones you want to put here first. Things like, what are your shipping times? Or do you offer refunds? Are perfect for this section. Once you've typed in your question, click into the answer area below it and write out your response. Keep your answers clear and concise. You don't need to write a novel here. Just give the visitor the information they need. If you need to add more questions, look for a small plus sign or an Add Item button, usually right below the last question. Click that to add a new empty FAQ entry. All right, once you've got all your questions and answers in there, take a second to look it over. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and that the answers actually answer the questions. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before it goes live. Finally, it's time to publish. Look up at the top right-hand corner of the editor. There should be a big green or blue button that says Publish or Save and Publish. Click that. Your new FAQ section is now live on your site, automatically answering questions for your visitors. And that's it. You've just saved yourself from answering the same questions over and over. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. I'll catch you in the next one.